Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you guys can see, this is my brand new domino setup. So, it all starts with the white domino line, then this huge, little white domino field, sort of like a cloud. Then this is the main thing, the rainbow domino field. And then after that, here's the colorful domino line, and it ends up with a 2x2 domino tower. That's gonna get knocked down by these two falling dominoes. Alright, now let's get ready to knock it down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that was really nice. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment below of how you rate this from 1 to 10. Also guys, follow me on Instagram. There's a link in the description box below. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next video.